Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. If you're looking for a dash camera, I highly recommend this one. This is by THINKWARE, and I appreciate this dash camera. It has the front and rear view recording with fantastic video quality. My favorite thing is that I have access to 24-hour surveillance, including parking mode and night mode. The quality of the video, even when we're driving in rocky terrain, was still fantastic. I love being able to scroll through and see our different drives, and with the THINKWARE Dash Cam link app, I can download the latest videos. So I can keep track of different things that I want, places that we've been, or just anything that seems a little different or interesting or even shady. So yeah, I said it. So this is great for during the day, for traveling. This is also wonderful if you're going to have it parked throughout the night. You can go ahead and scroll through different files. It's easy to locate and see your different trips. And also, this night vision is incredible. I love this OmniVision. I love being able to see what's going on when I'm not even with my car. It has a 2.7-inch LCD touchscreen, so I can check parking, continuous incident, and continuous. And it also has driving alerts, so it will detect any impact detection, like a quick hit to a speed bump, that kind of thing, which is real unique. And it has this turn off button on the side and a place to put your 32 gigabyte card. So I really love this. It comes in handy if you want to kind of be in control of seeing what's going on around your car when you're on trips or when you're not with your car. This is a really awesome option and I highly recommend it. We love it, but that's just my point of view.